Hi folks, Kelly Young with Jericho Software here with another AR Pro 15 video. Today we're going to do a part 2 on the project manager. I cut it short this lap on the part 1 because the video was getting to be close to 20 minutes long. So I'm going to do some more talking about the project manager, specifically sharing your project with someone else who has AR Pro so they can look it over or whatever. All right, let's get right to it. All right, as we discussed in part 1, this is the startup guide, and we need to make a decision on what it is that we're going to do. All right, we don't need to start a new project, so we're just going to open up the project manager with existing projects. Okay, if you haven't seen part 1 yet, I suggest you do that because I'm not going to go over anything I went over there. We're going to be talking about these two buttons right here. If you want or need to share your project that you're working on with someone else for whatever reason, this is the button you would hit. And let's go ahead and do that. It's going to ask you, do you want to actually export a project? And here we go, and it's going to open up to, I have it at my backup folder, but we're going to just do this in the public documents. And you can see I've had played with this before, so we're just going to overwrite a sample recon case and go from there. Current project was successfully saved. And you can send that to like a colleague or your supervisor, your manager, if you're in a private sector, et cetera, and they can just import that into their AR Pro so they can take a look at it. So that's how you share it. Now let's work from, I'm going to go ahead and delete a sample recon case from the database. And here we have the video we did with our last one and this one. So if you're on the receiving end, somebody has shared their project with you, all you need to do is click this button. Import a save project? Yes. And here you go. Now, the question becomes, which one of these do I double click? Either one, folks. I have it built into the program so that it strips this underline and form or underline and proj, and then it will import both files programmatically. So let's do that. And there we are. Everything's back. Still got the same 41 formulas, and you can go to work. You can open whichever or all of them, of course, right here. Double click something, that will open that up, etc., etc. Very easy, very, very easy. And of course, if they decide that there should be some changes to numbers in any of these formulas or whatnot, they can go ahead and do that. And then they can export the project, and then you can import the project so you can see the changes or whatnot, and agree, disagree, whatever it is goes on. And that's it. Short video, very quick, very easy, nothing to it. And of course, if you need any help, this was going to point to part 1 of the project manager of between the two parts. So you can you'll have to navigate. If you need to see this one, you'll have to navigate to part 2. That's it. Nothing more to it. And with that, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, either post them below in the YouTube, or you can contact me, send me a message, and I'll try to answer as best I can. Thanks, and have a great day.